Welcome back to our channel. And if you are new here, consider checking out our previous videos on web security vulnerabilities. Today, we are diving into one of the most critical issues that can leave your application exposed: broken access control, specifically user email enumeration. You might have seen this in actions in our previous videos on password reset vulnerabilities, but today we are going to take a closer look at how attackers can exploit subtle differences in error handling to gain valuable information. So, most people think enumeration means hammering a login form with brute force, but in reality, many applications leak username and emails in much simpler ways. No brute force required. When a user tries to log in, sign up, or reset a password, the application responds differently depending on whether the account exists. For example, invalid email, no account found with this email. Valid email, reset link sent to your inbox. Even small differences, error codes, wording, or response times allow attacker to confirm if an account is valid. This is called non-brute force enumeration. Like imagine a password reset page. Like I enter abc@test.com. In response में हमें मिलता है user not found. Then I enter neha@company.com. तो हमें response में मिलता है password reset link sent. I have just confirmed that Neha has an account here without guessing a single password. Now scale this. Using a simple script or automations, attacker can feed a list of emails from previous leaks and instantly discover which employee used the system. And this may sound small, but it's a goldmine for attackers. They now have a verified target list. They can run credential stuffing attacks with leaked password, launch phishing campaigns that feels legitimate because the victim knows they actually have an account, or chain this with another vulnerability or for privilege escalation. The solution is not complicated, but it requires discipline. Always return generic messages like if the account exists, we'll send you a recent link. Normalize responses, same wording, same status code, same delay, no matter the input. Add rate limiting, CAPTCHA, and login to detect mass enumeration attempts. And regularly test applications for these subtle leaks. In conclusion, enumeration doesn't need brute force many times. It's the small differences in error handling that opens the door to big attacks. That's why broken access control with username email enumeration is considered critical in modern security testing. So the next time you design or audit an app, pay attention to these tiny details because for an attacker, they are not tiny at all.